Make a great choice today with
the 2020 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.